Hello and welcome to Chapter 11. In this chapter, what you can expect us to cover, some more selected topics, specifically 11.1, 2. Oh, actually, we're skipping 2 because of timing. So 3 and 5. Okay, that's what we'll be covering. So you can match your reading and studying accordingly. What we'll learn in Chapter 11, we'll talk all about plant assets. What are they? How do we record their initial cost? How do we depreciate them? And then finally dispose of them. Okay, so that's what you can look forward to for Chapter 11. And of course, you also have your second exam. Okay, the format will be similar to the first exam, meaning there will be multiple choice and a problem. It's going to cover chapters 6, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Remember, we didn't cover chapter 7, so there's no chapter 7. It's been a while, but chapter 6 was inventory transactions, if you remember that. Chapter 8 had to do with fraud and internal controls. Chapter 9 had to do with accounts receivable, how to estimate our uncollectible accounts. Chapter 10 had to do with different inventory costing methods, FIFO, LIFO, weighted average. And then we finish up this week, chapter 11, with a discussion on plant assets. Okay, so study, obviously, but you'll want to make sure that you complete the chapter 11 module since that's going to be on exam 2. Exam 2 is open already. So if you want, you can kind of open it, start working little by little, but definitely finish chapter 11 before you finish that exam since it's on there. All right, good luck this week.